create Fusion composition. Add to the timeline. Go to the Fusion page. Add text plus node. Connect to media out. Type your text and go to shading. Select second element and enable it. Set the width to 004. Use the same color as the text color. Now we have text outline. Return to the text tab, right click and select forward. Go to the modifiers tab. Select random but one by one. Set the delay to 4. Back to shading, move to frame 0 and set opacity value to 0. Advance 5 frames, set the opacity value to 1. Repeat this process twice. Repeat the same steps with element 2. Go to keyframe editor. Locate the text. Select all and with the command key held down, duplicate the keyframes. Offset the outlines keyframes by 2 frames. Go to spline editor. Make the opacity transition sharper. Return to the edit page and add a sound effect. Down.